Hello all, welcome to Unacademy. So here we'll be starting with the selection criteria for IIM Lucknow. So in this video we'll be discussing the selection criteria for IIM Lucknow. I already discussed the selection criteria for IIM Bangalore and IIM Calcutta. So please subscribe to this channel so that you get regular updates of all the videos which I'll be posting. So before we discuss the selection criteria for IIM Lucknow, I just want to give a quick introduction about myself. So my name is Rajul Khare and I have done my MBA from MDI Gurgaon in the year 2014-2016. I'm mentoring students from last 8 years for CAT as I've cleared CAT 7 times in a row, and I will be taking two sections which are quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning data interpretation. Apart from this, I'm running a company called as Tamasha Entertainment. So in the last 8 years, I have mentored more than 5,000 students for CAT, GMAT and other B school entrance examination. Okay guys, so you can find me on the special classes, on the plus courses, on the YouTube live sessions on Unacademy. So you can subscribe yourself to this channel so that you get regular updates of my classes. Okay, so let's come to the agenda of the class today where we'll be discussing the selection criteria for IIM Lucknow. Okay, so we discussed about IIM Bangalore, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Calcutta in the previous videos. So now I want to talk about IIM Lucknow, which is again one of the top P schools in India. So first, the criteria is same. What is the eligibility for PGP? The same 2 points that you need to have your uh, bachelor's degree in which you need to score at least 50% marks, and that bachelor's degree has to be approved by the government of India, which is Ministry of HRD, Government of India. Okay, and in case you are coming out not from a general category, you are from SC, ST or PWD category, then you need to have at least 45% marks in your bachelor's degree. In case you are a final year student, then you can also apply to this college, but again you need to have your 50% marks in your final degree. All these will be checked once you get a call from IIM Lucknow. So the basic criteria is the same, that your eligibility is dependent on whether you have a bachelor's degree with the 50% score approved by the Ministry of HRD. Moving forward, now coming to the IIM Lucknow selection process, what are the weightage? So overall CAT में आपको 90 परसेंटाइल लाने पड़ेंगे जब भी आपका IIM लखनऊ से कॉल आएगा. मिनिमम है ये, ऐसे 90 परसेंटाइल पे IIM लखनऊ से कॉल नहीं आता. जैसे मैं आपको IIM कैलकटा का बता रहा था, नॉर्मली 99.5 पे IIM कैलकटा से कॉल आता है. उसके नीचे आई हैव नॉट मेट अ लॉट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स गेटिंग कॉल फ्रॉम IIM कैलकटा. But then what is the weightage of the CAT score? Then the sectional CAT percentile is 85% in verbal, 85% in LRDI and 85% in quantitative aptitude. तीनों सेक्शन में आपको 85 लाना पड़ेगा और ओवरऑल 90 लाना पड़ेगा, तभी आपकी IIM लखनऊ से शॉर्टलिस्ट आ सकती है, आएगी नहीं. उस पर आएगी कैसे? 60% आपका वेटेज कैट स्कोर का जाएगा. अकेडमिक प्रोफाइल में देखिए 10th नहीं है यहाँ. सो इन केस यू आर नॉट हैविंग गुड स्कोर इन 10th बट यू हैव अ गुड स्कोर इन 12th, देन IIM लखनऊ इज वन कॉलेज विच यू शुड टारगेट. सो 12th में आपका 10% का वेटेज है और ग्रेजुएशन में 10% का वेटेज है. सो ओनली 20% वेटेज टू योर अकेडमिक्स, 60% वेटेज टू योर कैट स्कोर, 5% weightage to the gender diversity, 5% weightage to the academic diversity and 10% weightage to the work experience. So total becomes what? 100. तो क्या है? 60% weightage to CAT score. पहली क्राइटेरिया क्या है कि आपकी बैचलर्स डिग्री होनी चाहिए अप्रूव्ड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ HRD, 50% मार्क्स आने चाहिए उसमें. सेकंड क्राइटेरिया इज ओवरऑल कैट में 90 प्लस होना चाहिए विथ सेक्शनल्स 85 इन ऑल द 3 सेक्शन. द थर्ड, जब आपका कैट स्कोर आ जाएगा तो आपका 60% वेटेज कैट स्कोर को मिलेगा. 20% वेटेज में से 10% 12th क्लास को, 10% ग्रेजुएशन या ग्रेजुएशन को वेटेज है. वेटेज टू जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी 5%. सो इन केस यू आर अ female candidate, you will be getting 5 marks extra here. Weightage to academic diversity again 5%. And academic diversity का क्या मतलब है? If you are not an engineer, okay, so all if you have done any different course, you will be getting weightage. Suppose you are from fashion technology, तो academic diversity के points अलग मिलेंगे आपको. उसके 5% है, मतलब they are giving a lot of weightage to academic diversity. तो total 10% point तो diversity के हैं. तो अगर आपका कैट स्कोर बहुत अच्छा है, डाइवर्सिटी जीरो है, यू शुड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट अ कॉल फ्रॉम IIM लखनऊ. एंड इफ योर डाइवर्सिटी इज हाई एंड इवन इफ यू आर एबल, तभी मैंने बोला था जब मैंने पूरा वीडियो बनाया था, IIM लखनऊ इज वन कॉलेज विच इज गिविंग इक्वल वेटेज टू कैट स्कोर एंड इक्वल वेटेज टू द प्रोफाइल. प्रोफाइल में क्या क्या बताया था मैंने? अकेडमिक्स, 10th 12th ग्रेजुएशन, जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी, अकेडमिक डाइवर्सिटी. ठीक है ना? नाउ देयर इज अ 10% वेटेज टू वर्क एक्सपीरियंस एज वेल. यू विल नॉट फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेशर्स इन IIM लखनऊ. IIM बैंगलोर में तो फ्रेशर्स कम ही होते हैं, IIM लखनऊ में भी काफ़ी कम फ्रेशर्स होते हैं क्योंकि वर्क एक्स को वेटेज है. बट हमने जब IIM कैलकाटा का देखा था तो देयर वाज नो वेटेज ऑन वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. सो ऑल फॉर ऑल द फ्रेशर्स IIM कैलकाटा इज अ गो टू कॉलेज बट नॉट IIM लखनऊ, बिकॉज आपको 0 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे अगर इन केस आपका वर्क एक्स नहीं है. एंड 2 to 3 ईयर वर्क एक्स पे आपको पूरे 10 पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं. ठीक है गाइस, वर्क एक्स ब्रांड भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगेन द प्रोसेस इज द सेम. कैट जीमैट का स्कोर, आप कैट का स्कोर आएगा, उसके बेसिस पे शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होगी, फिर आप यू विल बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन वेट पीआई एंड देन देयर विल बी अ फाइनल सिलेक्शन. Okay guys, got it. So what is the overall process of IIM Lucknow? 50% marks in undergraduation. The undergraduation degree should be recognized by Ministry of HRD. If you are a final year student, you can also apply for this with 50% marks in their degree. In case you are a SC, ST or a PWD candidate, then your eligibility criteria is what? 45%. Once you then you give CAT. After in CAT you should have 85 percentile in all the three section. Overall 90 percentile in CAT. उसके basis पे shortlisting होगी, वरना तो shortlisting ही नहीं होगी. फिर CAT score का 60% वेटेज, 12th का 10%, ग्रेजुएशन का 10%, जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी का 5%, अकेडमिक डाइवर्सिटी का 5%, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस का 10%, कंबाइन होके आउट ऑफ 100 ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स हु हैव क्लियर्ड दीज टू थिंग will be shortlisted on that, and the top roughly 2000 or 3000 students will get a call, and once you get a call you will be having VET and PI rounds और फिर वो क्यूमुलेट होके आपका फाइनल सिलेक्शन ऑफर आएगा. ठीक है गाइज, तो दिस इज अबाउट द IIM Lucknow selection process. Moving forward, please subscribe yourself to Telegram on Unacademy. So either you can subscribe to Unacademy_Rajul Khare, where you can get the daily schedule of my classes, and also you can subscribe to Unacademy Cat channel, where you will get the daily schedule of the classes of all the educators present on the Unacademy Cat channel. Okay, so please subscribe yourself to Telegram, please. And about the Cat subscription, so once you've seen this video, please go forward and subscribe yourself for Plus and Iconic, and because in Plus you will get everything which is relevant for the CAT preparation. You'll have interactive live classes, doubt solving session, courses for other management entrance examinations like XAT, IAFT, SNAP and MET, whatever you want to prepare. There will be practice question, there will be mock test analysis, there will be personal development plan to ACE/GD, VAT, PI and general knowledge. Okay guys, in Iconic, over and above Plus, you will get these features. What are these features? You'll get personal mentorship, you'll get personal mock analysis, you get personalized OMITS guidance, means you get personalized एक्सेलराइज ज़ैट प्रेपरेशन, स्नैप प्रेपरेशन एंड मैट, तो सब कुछ आपका बेसिकली पर्सनल हो जाएगा. यू विल ऑल्सो गेट पर्सनलाइज PI मॉक इफ यू ज्वाइन फॉर आइकनिक प्रोग्राम इन Unacademy. Okay guys, the pricing of this program for Plus, it starts from 1 month and goes up till 24 months. So for Plus 1 month से 24 महीने तक जाता है. 24 months will cost you around 21,000 rupees and 12 months will cost you around 17,500 rupees. Okay, and for Iconic 12 months around 30,000 rupees and 24 months 41,000 rupees. But you can use my code RKUS to get a discount of 10%. So once you use my code RKUS, the 12-month subscription for Plus will just cost you 15,750 and 24-month subscription will just cost you around 18,900 rupees. You can accordingly proceed to pay, and that's my code RKUS. You can use this code to get a discount of 10% on Unacademy subscription. Okay guys, this is about the Unacademy learners who have cracked CAT 2020 with flying colors. You could be the next. So all these people have got a percentile of more than 99, and I am very hopeful that they will land into a top IIM this year. Okay, so these are the batches which are just started or about to start. So 8th February and 10th February we have started 2 batches which are weekday evening batch for CAT 2021. 13th February we have started a complete weekend batch for CAT 2021. We'll be starting it tomorrow. Okay, and this is about the Unacademy Champions League. So once you enroll to Plus or Iconic, you can join either of the batches. We have batches starting every week. So don't delay, because this is the perfect time for your CAT preparation. Use my code, subscribe yourself to Unacademy, watch all the free special classes, all the Plus courses, and accordingly prepare for your prepare for your CAT, ZAT, and any other B school entrance examination which you want to give. Okay guys, now this is about the Unacademy Champion League, which is on February 14th between Sunday 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can subscribe yourself to Unacademy Champion League so that you can win Amazon vouchers up to rupees 10,000 and also Unacademy CAT Plus subscription for 1 month. Okay guys, so please like, share, subscribe the video. Okay, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please share this video to all the people who are aspiring for CAT this year, and especially for IIM Lucknow. Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria for IIM Lucknow? I'll make more such videos for IIM Kozhikode, Indore, Shillong, MDI, FMS. I'll try to make videos for all the top 10-15 B schools so that you have a clear data as to which B school will call you. Okay guys, so enough for today. Please subscribe to this channel so that you are part of the Unacademy CAT channel, which is #CAT Live Daily, and you can watch all the videos of all the educators here. Thanks a lot guys.